OnePlus just introduced its flagship OnePlus 60 smartphone at an event in New York. It is the first smartphone from the company to feature a tiny notch and a 19.5:9 aspect ratio display, and comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner which the company calls Screen Unlock. Today, we have the OnePlus 60 box with us. Let's do the unboxing today. Hey guys, welcome back to this new video. This is the unboxing cabin. Let's get started. So before we begin the unboxing process of the OnePlus 60, there is a need to remove the cover that wraps around the box. Now let's take another look at the top of the box. Yes, we are greeted with a message from the OnePlus community. And it says, a collection of individuals possessed of a tremendous understanding and superior taste in the finest technology. What's most important is that they are a part of what we do, and that includes you. So this was in the box, the message given to us. Let's take a look at the back of the box. We are greeted again with the same message and talks about what color is the phone and it is coming in which storage. Let's take a closer look at the side of the box, and this time it says unlock the speed and there's a fingerprint icon. Another side of the box we have the OnePlus logo which mentions OnePlus 60. Now let's go ahead and unbox the box itself, and yes, we are greeted with the OnePlus 60. And as you can see, there is a fingerprint icon on the device. This means to say that OnePlus is coming with an in-display fingerprint scanner, which you won't get on the rear, which you will get it under the display on the front. Let's keep the device on the side and proceed with the unboxing. This seems to be a box, and I assume that inside you will get a TPU case and some paperwork. You can take another look at it. Now let's go ahead and unbox this box. Let's see what do we get in here. And yes, I was right, you get the TPU case. Let's keep it down and place the other box on the side. Let's go ahead and separate the TPU case from the paperwork, and just taking a small look at the TPU case, it does look very premium in hand and surely will complement the phone because they both are in a black shade. Now let's go ahead and unbox this tiny box, and I must say OnePlus does take a lot of care of their community. Why? Because look at their packaging. It's so premium and you feel like unboxing every time you open the box. And yes, we are greeted with the SIM tool and some user manuals and stickers which you would want to read on later, and I'm not sure you will do. Let's take a look at another angle. It looks quite nice in white. Yes, I'm very much happy with the way unboxings that I do with OnePlus devices. First up, let's take the safety information. In this you will get all the main important stuff that you will need to follow in order to use your device in a more systematic and proper way. Up next we have the stickers, and yes, OnePlus do provide stickers, and they are quite funny stickers which you can put on anything you would want to see. Next up we have something in red, and it has a fingerprint on the start. This looks like a short menu, and it says unlock the speed, never settle. It talks about the specifications about the phone. Up next we have the SIM card ejector tool, and yes, it's quite nice to get it in a separate way, and yes, I like it. Let's go ahead and unbox the box further. Here we are greeted with an invitation letter, and it's good to see that OnePlus is providing us letters to give us some personal touch. Let's keep it down and move on further. Let's remove the adapter, and this is a fast charger, which means to say that you will be able to charge your phone very quickly. Let's keep it on the side and proceed further. Now let's go ahead and remove the USB Type-C. This is going to be used in order to connect it to your charger, or you can connect it to your laptop to send files, etc. Now let's go ahead. Oh yes, we have the 3.5mm audio jack with a type C. This means to say that OnePlus is not going to be providing a headphone jack on the 6T. Last but not the least, we have the invitation letter. Let's open it up now, as you might be wanting to see what is in store for us inside. It's taking me some time, don't mind that. And yes, this is a beautiful letter. Don't tell me this is a handwritten one. And yes, it's nice to see that it's from the CEO, Pete. Very nice to see that OnePlus does provide us personal touches in order to get closer to the community. Very well done by OnePlus. Let's keep it on the side and talking to the main topic today, the OnePlus 6T, and it is having the in-display fingerprint, which says to maximize the performance of our in-display fingerprint sensor, we recommend using screen protectors from OnePlus and our official partners. Let's go ahead and peel it off. Now on the back, let's peel that off too. Some more specifications talking about how to use the phone, and yes, it is the glass back. You call it the mirror black version. Take a look at it. It looks really very nice to see OnePlus providing us a premium phone. And that's it for my unboxing. If you all like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share this video, like and comment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.